Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing into the exact Spotify account that pays the subscription. Once done, check the account email and payment details so you can verify ownership. Make sure you're using a desktop browser for the clearest settings view, because mobile menus sometimes hide options. If you signed up through Apple, Google Play, or a third party, note that those services often control cancellation. So pause here and confirm where the charge appears before moving to account settings. Next, navigate to Account Overview and then to Subscription. This is where Spotify lists your plan and renewal date. You'll see buttons labeled Change Plan or Cancel Premium. Click Cancel when ready, because that triggers the end-of-cycle cancellation rather than an immediate refund. If billing shows Apple or Google Play, switch to those platforms. Open their subscription managers and cancel there instead, since Spotify can't stop external charges. Keep an eye on the renewal date displayed so you know. Finally, complete cancellation by confirming the on-screen prompts and saving any confirmation email. You'll retain premium until the listed end date. If the cancel option is missing, check if you're on a family, student, or bundled plan, because those are managed by the plan owner or institution. Contact them to remove access. If something goes wrong, gather your account email, last payment receipt, and billing provider info. Then contact Spotify support so they can resolve the discrepancy quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.